And it crashed. That one Sunday morning before I was going to church, I pulled up the chart. I'd heard some things in the group, pulled up the chart to take a look, and lo and behold, there was a big, long red line. And so when you're investing and you have red lines that go down, it's never a good thing. And so I just sat there and just watched it, with the hopes that it would turn around and go back up. But it kept going down, and it went down and down and down. In the matter of just a few hours, I had lost over $14,000 in that protocol. I'd never lost that much money before in my life. So I had some important questions that I had to ask, and some important, lots of deep thinking that I had to do about whether I was still going to be in this thing called crypto. Was it all a scam?